This is a 2025 Cimarron 3-horse slant load bumper pull. This trailer is used, it has been titled, but it is extremely gently used. It has hauled a horse one time, approximately 300 miles. So it's in excellent condition. It's really hard to tell that it's even been used. It is our policy here to go through every single used trailer from coupler to bumper and also take the wheels down to the spindle and inspect the brakes, the bearings, and the seals. So we did go ahead and do that as well, even though this trailer has seen very, very limited miles in its life. It is our policy. So every used trailer that comes through Trailer Country LLC is going to have that same inspection regardless of the number of miles. So again, it's a 2025 Cimarron 3-horse slant load bumper pull. This one was custom ordered with a few additional features. We do some upgrades on a few things here, and then they added a few more things. So we got a great sized dressing room here. As you can see, we have this swing out saddle rack with 2 blanket poles, brush box on the door, flip down step at the door. That makes it really easy to get in and out if you've got a larger foot or you just need a little more space to climb in and out. We almost always upgrade to mats in the dressing room on the floor versus carpet. You're gonna have a full-size spare tire and matching wheel mounted in the dressing room. Carpet behind the bridle hooks is going to be standard on a Cimarron trailer. Keeps from banging up the wall there. 12 bridle hooks here. Water tank, that is standard in this model because this model is known as the ready-to-go package. So we've got a 25-gallon triangle water tank there. Cimarron sends us these great rubber floor mats to keep things clean. Light switch for the dressing room. We've got a nice big LED light here in the dressing room. Full-length running boards on this trailer. It is 7'7" tall, which is going to be oversized for the slant load trailer. 7'7" tall, 6'10" wide, and I think it's about 18.3 on the floor, but you can double check that spec on my website. We've got a load light on both sides of the trailer, so you can see an LED load light there. There's going to be one on the rear as well as on the opposite side. Aluminum wheels are standard on a Cimarron trailer. This trailer has 5,200-pound Dexter torsion axles. Rear ramp is an addition here. We did order the trailer that way from the factory. So we've got 60/40 rear doors and then a ramp over. Again, a load light there on the back, LED load light. You've got tons of lights in and out of the Cimarron trailer. Big LED interior lights, LED running lights, LED load lights, 3 pop-up vents. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the Cimarron trailer, but they are an all aluminum trailer, aluminum frame, aluminum floor, aluminum skin. They have a fiberglass roof. It's 2 layers of gel-coated fiberglass with a 1/2-inch honeycomb insulation. So that roof is going to be super cool on a hot summer day. The walls of the horse area are also insulated, so that's going to keep down the noise as well as the temperature. We did upgrade on this particular trailer to have bar-style dividers, so you have nice airflow coming through there from the drop-down windows, from the roof vents. The sliding butts will flow right through those airflow dividers versus a solid divider. As you can see, the first divider is a stud divider, so if you want to use that stall for your things, you certainly can, and you can get to all that through the escape door here on the street side. Full-size escape door with drop-down window at horses 2 and 3. Again, there's that LED load light on the side of that trailer, full-length running boards. All the doors and windows are going to latch back well. When this particular trailer was made, it was standard with a top line jack. I just wasn't sure it was the right jack for the trailer, and it sure is hard to wind on these larger trailers. So we go ahead and do this side wind jack. Now I think that's going to be standard. So again, this is a 2025 Cimarron North Star 3-horse slant load bumper pull with the ready-to-go package with quite a few add-ons, including a ramp on the rear. 7'7" tall, 6'10" wide. I believe it's 18.3 on the floor. Look at that nice wide dressing room door for getting in and out with larger saddles, and of course the swing out saddle rack. The trailer's available at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. Check out the specs and photos on our website at trailercountryllc.com.